Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2021 Volvo XC90 T5 Momentum. This is in crystal white metallic with a blonde leather interior. There are 4 cameras on the outside of this car that makes up the 360-degree camera system that is part of the advanced package, starting right there with the one on the grille. There are 2 underneath the side view mirrors and 1 just right above the license plate holder in the back. That 360-degree system is great for parking in tight spots, knowing what's around you. Very helpful. You also get the Graphical Head-Up Display with the advanced package, so you really don't have to take your eyes off the road if you don't want to. These beautiful 20-inch wheels, nice upgrade on this one. I love how this paint just catches the light in the sun. It's beautiful. Inside the back seat, you'll find 3 seats that move independently. This one has the center integrated booster seat, and that pops down flat if you don't need it. This also has the protection package, so you get those rubber mats, and I have those installed and they fit like a glove. They snap into place and are easy to clean up. You can take them out and hose them down and you'll start fresh. Beautiful. Wheel, that is a heated steering wheel, part of the climate package. Beautiful walnut wood inlays. This one has the wireless phone charging pad right there. Actually, that's a new standard feature for the XC90s. I have the booster seat popped down flat, so you can see how nicely that integrates into the seat. And you can also, if you pull up on this little loop here, fold that down flat, and that reveals the giant back area. And you can see the seat belts there. There are 2 seats under that will pop up for the 3rd row. Memory seating for 3. These seats are super comfortable. The Momentum seats are nice and cushy and ready for a long road trip. With your foot firmly on the brake, if you twist this knob, that's how you start. Auto dimming frameless mirror, giant panoramic sunroof. And of course, this does have navigation. And this screen is really easy to read. It's super clear. It's a touch screen, so you can move in and out with the maps, set your destination here. This is your main home screen. All of the things to the left. This headrest folds down the headrest for better visibility while driving. Road sign information is one of my absolute favorite parts about the safety features here. The IntelliSafe system will read the road sign information, and you'll have it right there so you know how fast you're supposed to be going. Your camera system is here, 360 degrees. It's great. And then you just choose which camera you'd like to have a better view of. And of course, the backup camera, as soon as you shift into reverse, the backup camera will pop up. The center screen over here. Got your apps. Sirius XM is all set up. Also here you'll find, this is where you can plug in for Apple CarPlay on the right, essentially turning your screen into a giant version of your phone so you can use your favorite apps right there. Your parking brake is here. This little A, if you like to drive with that on, that will keep at a stoplight, will keep the brake on, and so you don't have to keep putting your foot on the brake. It'll just stop and hold the brake. And then your drive modes here. You can select your drive modes. Everyday comfort is always the standard setting. Dynamic will lower actually the SUV by 2 inches and tighten up the suspension. And it'll also make the shifting go faster so you feel like it's a little peppier. All right, well, there's so much to know about these cars. This is stock number 21087. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need. We'd love to get you into this today. Thank you so much for watching from Portland Volvo.